Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope you all are doing good today. Today we will be learning about sound. What is sound? Sound refers to anything that can be heard, whether it is made by speaking or by vibrating a rubber band or by dropping a stone in water. Sounds also help us to communicate. They are produced when something vibrates or shakes. Let's see how. The vibration makes the air shake and the shaking air enters our ears, which we hear as a sound. Do you know when a bird flaps its wings, the air around it moves, which we hear as a sound? We hear a bee buzzing when the bee moves its wings. As soon as the bee stops using its wings, the buzzing stops. There are some sounds that are loud or unpleasant or causes disturbance. They are known as noise. Noise is produced by loudspeakers, vehicles on the road, construction activities, household appliances, etc. Thus, it is important to check that the sound doesn't change to noise or else it can damage one's hearing sense. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed learning about sound. Happy learning! Jazakallah!